In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Microsoft Teams email address. This process involves navigating through your Microsoft account settings, so let's get started. Your first step is to open Microsoft Teams, whether you're using the desktop application or accessing it through a web browser. Once Teams is open, look towards the upper right-hand corner of your screen. Here you'll find your profile picture or your initials displayed within a circle. This is your personal gateway to all your Teams settings, and more broadly, your Microsoft account details. Go ahead and give that profile icon a click to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. This initial click is crucial as it sets you on the path to managing your account information effectively. After clicking your profile picture, a menu will expand, showing various team-specific options related to your status, settings, and organization. Among these, you'll find an option labeled My Microsoft Account. This is what you need to select next. Clicking this will direct you away from the Teams application interface itself, and typically open a new browser tab or window. This new page is the central hub for your entire Microsoft account, not just Teams, where you manage your subscriptions, privacy settings, and, most importantly for us today, your personal information. It's a critical redirection that takes you to the broader management portal, where email changes are handled at a fundamental level for your Microsoft identity. Now that you're on your main Microsoft account page in your web browser, you'll see a dashboard with different categories and navigation options, such as security, privacy, and devices. To proceed with changing your email address, you'll want to locate and click on the section titled Your Info. This area is dedicated to all your personal details linked to your Microsoft account. Think of it as your digital identity card within Microsoft's ecosystem. Here, you can view and modify details such as your name, date of birth, and importantly, your primary contact email address and any associated aliases. This section ensures you have complete control over how Microsoft identifies and communicates with you across its services, including Teams. Within the Your Info section, you'll see an overview of your current profile, displaying information like your name, country, and region. To make changes to the email addresses associated with your account, you need to find and click on the link that says Edit Account Info or Manage How You Sign In to Microsoft. The wording might vary slightly. This specific link is designed to take you to the page where you can manage your email aliases and phone numbers. It's the gateway to modifying the core contact details of your Microsoft account. Clicking this will bring you to a page where you can see all the email addresses and phone numbers currently linked to your profile, giving you the power to add new ones or adjust existing settings. Once you're on the Manage How You Sign In to Microsoft page, you'll observe a list of your current email addresses and phone numbers that are registered with your account. These are all the ways you can currently sign into your Microsoft services. To introduce a new email address that you wish to use with Teams, your next action is to locate and click on the Add Email option. This step is crucial because it allows you to append an additional email address as an alias to your existing Microsoft account. This new alias can then be used for signing into Teams and other Microsoft services. Remember, after adding it, you'll likely be prompted to verify the new email address by entering a code sent to that inbox, which confirms you own it. After you've successfully added and verified your new email alias, you'll have the option on this same page to designate it as your primary email if that's your ultimate goal. This ensures that the new address becomes the main point of contact and sign-in for your Microsoft account, which will then reflect across services like Microsoft Teams. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the steps to add or prepare to change your Microsoft Teams email address by managing your primary Microsoft account aliases. We hope this guide was clear and helpful.